Welcome back to and this guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to redeem gift card on Uber Eats. Let's begin. Now, the first thing you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time here in Uber Eats, click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, Uber Eats offer a wide selection of restaurants and cuisines, allowing you to explore and order from different eateries without leaving your home or office. Of course, redeeming a gift card on Uber Eats can be a convenient and be beneficial. Now, I need you to sign into your account, and then once you are here, I need you to hover to the hamburger menu or the three lines on the upper left corner if you are using the Uber Eats on their official website. And from here, I need you to click on the wallet in the left side panel of your dashboard and just go to the add a payment method. And as you can see, connect bank or connect gift cards. All right. Now click on the Uber gift card. And from here, just enter the code of your gift card. Click on apply. And that's it. Now, let's try to do that on our mobile device. Now, if you encounter any problems redeeming your gift card on Uber Eats, I suggest you go to this Uber Eats support center. And from here, you can type in your query and you can go to the view message. All right. And I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. And again, we will see you again in the next video.